Happy Flex Friday, everybody. It's Coach Francis at Elevate Sports Performance and Healthcare. Now, if you're like me, ruggedly handsome, but not so good at reaching down for your toes, I got a movement for you today. You don't have to stretch out your hamstrings. You need a ramp, a thick book, or a couple plates you can prop your heels up with, and you need a light weight. I have a 9-pound kettlebell here. You're gonna stand on whatever surface you're using to elevate your heels, weight out in front at your chest. You're gonna tuck using your glutes. You're then gonna go down into a squat and reach your weight as far forward as you can. You can go straight out, or I like to go down a little bit, because if I go straight out, I start to get traps. We're gonna stay here and hold and breathe. After about 10 seconds, you can come back up, reset, get your tuck on again, go down, reach, try to go down a little lower. Come back up, maybe do one more rep, then go ahead and see if you can reach down for your toes any better. Getting better. I love this movement because of all the posterior expansion, all the expansion you get in your back and the back of your hips. So I love it for after deadlifts or anytime you're feeling tight back there, car rides, office work, all that good stuff. Go ahead, hit a ramp squat with a reach and hold. Get after it and have an excellent Flex Friday!